Say hi to the camera, Eli.
Yeah.
Say hi, camera. That's right. Hey, Eli. Here you go. You want a bite?
No.
Why?
No.
It's so good. You don't want a bite?
No.
Should I give it to Charlie?
Sadie.
Is it for babies?
Baby.
Yeah, okay, I'll give it to the baby.
Baby.
Here, want another bite?
No.
No? Who should I give it to?
Baby.
Should I give it to Charlie?
Baby.
Okay, I'll give it to Charlie. Does he like it?
Like it.
What do you like to eat? Oh, no, you don't. Go, buddy. What's in your milk? What's in your milk?
Milk.
Milk? What did Emmy put in it? Remember? I put molasses. Did I put molasses in it to make it yummy? Was it yummy or yucky? Yeah? Was it disgusting? Or was it yummy? Yummy. Do you say everything that I say? Yeah? Do you copy whatever I say? Good boy, Eli. You're so nice.
What do we dip it in?
Listen to Charlie growling. No, I told you you're not allowed to play on it.
When can I play on it?
Tomorrow.
Then when tomorrow? Like,
If you fuss, then no time tomorrow.
eggs?
Not right now.
Please.
What did he do, Eli?
Ew.
Did he make a mess?
Ew.
Did he make a big mess?
Made a big mess like you used to make. Mess.
Say no thank you, Charlie.
Okay.
Say please don't.
Don't.
Charlie, what are you doing?
What was Eli having?
Say that's not for babies.
One second. I want to put these in the water.
Say bye to the camera.
Hi.
Say bye.
Cat.